Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain to you about the mind map I've made 3 weeks ago about the history of computers. And this is the mind map. So, we start from the ancient times where abacus is the first ever calculation device invented in 2400 before century. And there are Navier bones, Pascaline, and Leibniz's calculator invented after that in 1600 century. And then the first generation of computers starts in 1940s till 1950s with characteristic of large room-sized machines using vacuum tubes for processing. And the example of device invented in the first generation is ENIAC in 1946 and the UNIVAC one in 1951. And then in the second generation in 1950s till 1960s, they replaced vacuum tubes with transistors for smaller and faster and efficient calculating system. And in this generation too, there is the invention of programming language like Fortran and COBOL. And then we move to the third generation, which is in 1960s till 1970s, where the invention of integrated circuits or ICs to reduce size and cost for the previous vacuum tubes and transistors from the first generation and second generations to and then this integrated circuits is accessible for businesses and government tasks and needs. And then the example of device invented in the third generation is IBM System 360 and PDP-8. And then we move to the fourth generation, starts from 1970s till present or until now. It is the advent of microprocessors, and the first microprocessors ever the first microprocessors invented is Intel 4004. And in this generation too is the rise of personal computer or PC like Apple One and IBM PC. And then we move to the fifth generation, or now we are in the fifth generation of computer history. There is there are there is the rise of artificial intelligence, quantum computing, cloud computing, and Internet of Things. Like as we can see now, there are lots of AI tools and websites like GPT and DeepSeek and etc. to help us calculate and doing tasks globally and more as efficient and faster rather than the previous technology of computers. So I think that's all from me. Bye bye.